My name is Duncan. I am 7 years old and I study at the Modern Language Centre, and I study the language called Arabic, and it's really cool. It's very tricky though. I practice it lots of times and I normally get it right, so thank you to the headmaster, my teacher, the whole school, and the headmaster's husband.
يلا
Like what I said last time.
يلا 3 2 1
مرحبا، أنا اسمي دانكن. أنا 7 سنوات. أنا عمري 7 سنوات. أنا بدرس في عربي في اللغات الحديث. أنا بدرس عربي وشكرا. رنا تيكي واللغات